Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arafat. Today we have an exponential equation to find out the value of x here. Here, this is 2x minus 1. It is equals to 5 power 2x minus 1. So here we have to find out the value of x from this exponential equation. So we can write down here, this is 1 multiplied by 5 power 2x minus 1. We can write down 1 multiplied by 5 power 2x minus 1. We have the same value here because we are going to multiply with 1. So here we have to shift this one to the left hand side here. So this is 2x minus 1 divided by 5x 5 power 2x minus 1. It is equals to 1. So here we can write down 2 over 5 the whole power 2x minus 1. It is equals to 1 because we have 2 power x minus 2x minus 1 and power 2x minus 1. We have to write down 2 over 5 with the single power. So this is 1. We can write down here 2x minus 1, it is equals to 2 over 5 with whole power 0. Anything with power 0, it is equals to 1. That means we can write down 2 over 5 power 0, it is equals to 1. So we can write down this one here. Now, why we have to write down 2 over 5? Because if the bases are same, then the powers are equal. That is why we have to write down 2 over 5 power 0. So bases are same. So therefore 2x minus 1 it is equal to 0 and 2x it is equals to 1 and the value of x it is equals to 1 upon 2. Minus 1 we have to shift to the right hand side. This is 2 multiplied by x. When we have to shift here, it will be in the division form. So this is the value of x. Dear students, if you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arafat. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.